Good morning, children. In the last class, you learn how to add the numbers and even and odd numbers, and you learn about what are the properties of the addition of whole numbers. So here you learn about the addition of the properties of the whole numbers. So now today we are going to solve the exercise number 2.1. So here in the first one, fill in the blanks. So here first one is, if you interchange the number, the sum will be same. So what is that property? Commutative property. So that property only they are given here. See here, 28,596 plus 3, which is equal to 3 plus what? The first number only, means 28,596. So like that you have to write. Second one, any number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. So what is that property? Additive identity property. So what is the additive element here? 0. 0 is the additive identity element. So what is that? 0 is the additive identity element. Next one. Next one is associative property. So here you have to write the continuous numbers, means 3,854 plus 54 plus 389. So in the blank what will come? 54 will come. Like that, next also you have to solve it. Second one, find the missing digit in these addition sums, then reverse the order and add the numbers again. See if you get the same result. So first one, they are given here 29-7 324 dash, and the sum is 6163. So this is the addition sum. So here 7 is a bigger number. What number I should add to get 3? So I cannot add 0 because the 7 will be there. So it should be more than 10. So 7 plus 6, how much? 13. So I will get here 3. 1 will be carry. Okay. So 1 carry means 4 plus 1, 5. But here how much I want? 6. So how much I should add for it? Still 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, 6. So here 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 carry. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So sum is correct. So you have to check it. After writing the blanks, you have to check it. Okay. So write it in a proper way. Okay. And then while writing here, underline the answer. Okay. Now let us, in the same way you have to solve the second, third, fourth. Okay. Here in the last one more is there. That is a little bit confusion. 2, 3 or 4, 1. You can take any number here. Okay. Because the sum should be same. For example, let me take that fourth one now. 2 dash dash 8. 9, 7 dash here 2. So the sum is 11760. So the answer is like this. So here 8 plus 10 is 0, 0. 1 carry. So here I want 6 here. Here I want 6. So 1 is there here. So remaining 5 I should write here. Okay. So I can write 5 in a different way. That is, I can write 2 plus 3. I can write 1 plus 4. Otherwise here I can write 4 plus 1. You can write any way here. Okay. Because if the only 5 we have to come, we can write in any way. It is not compulsory here should 3 and here 2, like that. We can write in any way. Okay, so here I can write 2 and 3 and here 6. So 7 is there, means it should be 0. 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay, so this is how we have to do. Next one, third one. In each, combine the numbers in the most convenient manner and add them. So convenient manner they said. Here convenient manner means when we add the ones place, I told you now. When we are adding the ones place digit sum should be 10. Like that we have to add those two numbers. Okay, so then we have to add here. So here 646 plus 23 plus 854. So here 646 plus 854. These two number if you add, you will get in the zeros. Okay, next one is 6016 and 484. These two if you add, and then next two numbers if you add, you will get the sum in a hundreds, like that. Okay. So like that, if you see the number here 286 and 214 if you add, and 742 to 258. Like that you have to add. Okay. And then last you have to add 100. Next one is 12 plus 2062. This one you can add 2062 and 1038 first, and the remaining you can add the numbers later. Okay, next, write true or false. If false, correct the statement. So here if it is true or false is there. If the statement is wrong, you have to correct it and you have to write. Okay. If two whole numbers are added, the sum may or may not be a whole number. So as I said you, here only, for example, if I take these two are whole numbers only. If I add these two numbers, the answer is also a whole number. This is there in the set of the whole numbers. Isn't it? What is the whole number set? W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this it will go on. So here the numbers are there. So here it is not a may or may not, it is a whole number only. Okay. So it is a false statement. So write false and then correct the statement like, if two whole numbers are added, the sum also whole number. Okay. Second, 0 is the identity element for addition. Correct or wrong? Correct. It is true. Next, the sum of any two odd number is always even. Yes, if you add two odd numbers, the sum will be even number. 3 plus 5. What is the sum? 8. 8 is an even. 3 and 5 are odd number. Okay, next. If we change the order in which 4 numbers are added, the sum changes. Is it changes if we change the order of any numbers? No, the sum will not change. So here it is the wrong. It is the false. So what we have to write? If we change the order in which the 4 numbers are added, the sum will not change. Okay, that remains same. The associative property of addition states that in whatever order we add two whole numbers, the sum always remains the same. Here they said two numbers. Here when we add the two numbers, if we interchange the number, that is the commutative property, not the associative property. In an associative property, we will take the three numbers. Here they said two numbers, so it is a commutative property. So it is a false statement. Here what you have to write, instead of associative property, you have to write commutative property. Okay. Next one, fifth one. Find the missing digit in these addition sum in which the digits in this is the same in each blank for each sum. So here first one I will take 3652 107 dash 54 dash 2 dash 73 dash and here dash 2 9 dash and 1. Okay, so this is like this. So here if you see here what you will get, the sum should come here the same number, means in all the blank they told to fill with the same number. We have to fill the number with the same number. So if I fill here 2, here also I should fill 2 only, and here also 2. Like that, here also 2, here, everywhere 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, if I add it will be 8. So the same will not come here. So 2 is not the answer. If I take 3, 3 plus 3 6, 10, 0 will come. So this is also not. 4 I take, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 means 2 will come here. So that is also not. 5 if I take here, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14. 14 no, 5 should come. So not 5 is also not answer. I will take here 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. So 6. So 6, 6, 6 I got same in all the three blank. So 6 is the answer. Now I can fill here everywhere 6. So and then also I will once again recheck it. So 16, 1 carry. Okay, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 2 carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 9, 1 carry. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 16. So the answer is correct. So the answer is 6. In the same way, solve the second one. Next, write any two digit odd numbers and add them. Is the sum order even? So here you have to take 2 digit numbers, 2 numbers, and both the numbers should be odd. and then you have to add it. And what the sum you will get, is it odd or even? Obviously it is even. When you add any two odd numbers, the sum will be even only. So the answer is even number. So here you can take any 2-digit number. Okay. So of your choice, you have to take any two odd numbers and then you have to add but 2-digit numbers. In the same way, next one. Write any two 3-digit even numbers and find the difference. Is the answer odd or even? Here you have to take a 3-digit number and both the numbers should be even numbers. Okay. And then you have to find the difference. If you find the difference of both the even numbers, the difference is also a even number only. You will get this difference even only. Okay. Next, 8th one. Add each. Here you have to take of your own choice numbers. Okay. Add each of the following and check the answer by adding them again in a different order. So what you have to do here, you have here the same numbers, 3 numbers they are given. You have to add in a 2 different ways. In the first time, you have to add first 2 numbers first and the last number you have to add next. In the second step, means in the second method, first you have to add the last 2 numbers and then for that sum you have to add the first number. Okay. So like that you have to solve these two. Next, 9th one. Find the answer using the most convenient arrangement. So here what I will do, I will rearrange them. How I will arrange? The ones place should be, if I add the numbers, the sum should get 10 like that. So here in the first one, 1207 plus 4799 plus 301. Like this I will write and I will add it. Okay. So here I will get the 10 because 7 plus 3 is 10. So in the last second one also, 353 plus 1647 I will add plus 291. Later I will add that. Next, if there are 28 boys and 29 girls in a group, would you have to arrange for an odd or even number of chairs for the group? So here 28 is an even number and 29 is an odd number. If you add even and odd number, what you will sum? The sum is 57. 57 is also an odd number. So here we will get the odd number of chairs. So this is how you have to solve it. Okay children, I hope you all are understood, and please children try to complete your work on the same day itself. Because if you keep on leaving, that means you will forget everything. So everyday practice is needed for the mathematics. Please solve the exercise that day itself. Okay children, thank you.